to our viewers the latest update, and right now we are outside Taloja jail, and what we can see is that there is more deployment of police personnel, and you can see that that's the entry gate what we are showing to our viewers for since the time this observation of Supreme Court came out where Arnab was granted bail, and you can see that large number of policemen have now been called in. You can see that security has been beefed up right outside Taloja jail. On the other side also, if Mahindra can zoom in, on the other side also people have gathered there in large numbers. You can see that there's a chain which has been formed by the Raigad police here, and they are here to maintain law and order because people have gathered in large numbers and they want to just catch one glimpse of Arnab Goswami. We are continuously showing you the pictures from right outside here, and they are continuously chanting slogans also. They are saying that we are with Arnab Goswami. We want to just see once Arnab Goswami. That's the sentiment among the people here. We are showing you live visuals from right outside Taloja jail. Once again, if Mahindra can come with me, we'll try to show you more visuals. You can see that here also on either sides of this very entrance gate of Taloja jail, there are police personnel. Those have been deployed. We have just seen this security which has just been beefed up. A large number of policemen have been deployed here. But what we are given to understand is that it will take another 1 more hour for Arnab Goswami to walk out from Taloja jail. But sentiment continues to be there among the people. They want to see Arnab Goswami once. They are continuously raising slogans. We are continuously showing you the live pictures from right outside Taloja jail. We'll have to wait and watch how much time Arnab takes
Piyush,
to come
continue to be with us. I want to go across quickly to Nalini also, our colleague who's also there at another point at Taloja jail. Police making very robust arrangements right now, isn't it, Nalini, as far as security or just the situation is concerned?
Well, absolutely, Shivani, and right behind me is the riot control force that has now been called in, considering the large amount of crowd that has gathered. Of course, keeping in mind the kind of support that Arnab Goswami is getting. And just to give you an idea of the number of people that are gathered here, let me ask Santosh to turn towards the right. So now they've asked all of the people to move towards that side of the road and the media to move towards this side. So there is no problem with the traffic that is continuously on this road. But at the same time, the police has made a human chain right in front of all of the people that have gathered, and you can see just the number of people, the sheer number of people that are here, and the number of police officials that have also been called in to ensure that all of these people are kept under control, because it is such an electrifying atmosphere, and the people are so jovial at this current moment that we saw firecrackers and we saw flowers being thrown about, we saw rangoli there, we saw diyas being lit. So they are extremely happy, they are extremely excited to see Arnab Goswami back once again, not just in the studios, but just to walk out of the Taloja jail is something that they're all patiently standing and waiting for. Is for one glimpse of their hero coming back once again after being detained, after being arrested and kept in custody for several days and nights. But if there is one thing that has remained undeterred, it is the spirit of not just Arnab Goswami, but the entire team of Republic Media Network that has constantly been fighting for the right to be done, and that is exactly what the Supreme Court has done.
Nalini, as you know yourself, has been high precisely because of the support that has been coming in the way of Republic TV.